What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. Today you want to learn how to edit templates inside of After Effects. So you may be a little new to After Effects and you've downloaded some templates from like an Envato or some of these supplier sites that have, templates with your subscription. And you just need to edit it. And how do I do that quickly and easily? And right before we get started, as always, guys, feel free to check out filmit.io, a resource made by creatives for creatives. Assets, plugins, you name it, we got it. Go check it out today. We've downloaded this template called text presets from a website. Typically you get like a warning like this. It says this project must be converted. That's not a problem at all. And here it is. So let's fit this to the screen. And I want to go in here. It's a quarter resolution. Let's do full. I think somebody in Russia made this. I'm not sure. Anyways, you want to go in and edit this. So what is the basics of this and what does it actually look like? So After Effects, you have your project panel. So window projects right here. This is all the compositions within this project. Here's all the assets in this folder. Solids, you can completely ignore these for now. The preview is what we're on right now. So double click this. We're on preview. This shows every single bit of text in this project. But we want to take specifically this one and edit it, right? This is the one we want to edit and render. So let's go into simple text 08. It'll be over here as well, simple T08. But from here in the preview, if you can find the layer, you can actually double click it and jump into it. Let's fit to screen. And from here, we'll have a couple of layers. So there's two text layers in our layer panel. And this is our timeline preview. If you don't know what it is, just go to Window Timeline Preview, but it will pop open always if you double click a layer like that, or if you click it over here. See if I double click this one, opens up this, double click this one, opens up this. From here, we just grab our text and retype it. After Effects tutorial. And now we want to render this. We've made this. This is your little on and off black button that tells you turns the black on in the background. This also turns the transparency on in the background, but this is white text and we want to render this so it's transparent and it's a video that I can bring into Premiere Pro or other editing software like DaVinci, Final Cut, whatever you want, and you want to drag it onto your footage. So let's do that. So let's go to Composition, Add to Render Queue. Opens this up right here, but we need to change these settings so we can render transparently. So let's click this little button right here. Output mode opens up a new box. Let's drop down. Let's go to QuickTime. Format right here, Format Options. Let's drop the codec down to Animation. Click OK. And then do Channels RGB plus Alpha. And that will render this without a background. From here, you can click this, save it where you want to save it, and then hit Render. And that is how you quickly jump into an After Effects template and edit it. Now, a little bonus action for the team here. What if you want to edit every ounce of this text at once? I'm too lazy to jump into each individual layer and retype these. How do you edit it all at once with almost like batch editing? Well, there's a tool. There's a tool called TextPilot TextPilot. There is a link in the description to this. And also if you type pilot in the comments, I'll send it to you. Basically what this does, it's a really cool tool. When you download it and install it, go to Window and then TextPilot TextPilot right here. And it opens up like this. You can also dock it into here, no problem. And what we can do is hit Scan Project. And it actually scans the entire project for every possible line of text in this entire thing, which is pretty cool. Also from here, you can drop down and go to Simple T05. It actually shows the project. Free support, let's jump to that layer. Here it is, we've jumped to the layer. It kind of jumps for us, which is pretty cool. It finds it for us if we need to look for it. And what I did already is I've already retyped all the lines from this project. Right here, you can see what I'm going to do is just copy all of these lines. I'm just adding filmit.io, the website, to the tag of everything. And then just copy all of this and hit paste. As you can see, everything's been retyped. Let's go back to preview and then just click apply bulk changes and everything should change. Yep, all the text has been updated with our tags that we wrote in. So this is a way to do bulk editing. The only thing that you're going to ever have to worry about when you do bulk changes is your text bounds. So as you can see here in this one, the text looks like it's getting cut off. That's no big deal. It's because we typed out too much text for this box. It is impossible to change the text box yourself or through a bulk change. So just for things like this, we may need to reposition it. and change the bounding of the text, which is no big deal. That's an easy fix. It won't happen to everything. When you're retyping stuff like this, typically we're using this kind of tool to change the language or something like that. Or yeah, it's a really nice tool called Filament TextPilot. So get it while it's hot.
As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. And if you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out filament.io. QR code is on the screen. Plenty of digital tools and awesome assets for all you creators. Check it out today.